Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Jamaica Central Securities Depository JCSD Trustee Services Limited has agreed to extend a $2 billion debt held by Chukka Adventures Caribbean Limited for another year and accept an increased interest rate in lieu of compensation. In 2018, Chukka secured a $2 billion dual currency bond arranged by Cygnus Capital with Sagicor Investments as the co-arranger. The larger portion in Jamaican dollars was fixed at 8.5%, while the US dollar portion had a coupon of 6.5%. Chukka is now also in the Dominican Republic, Barbados, and St. Thomas, thus making it a more viable entity and giving it a pan-Caribbean presence. Surely, investors would note the potential. The Ministry of Tourism aims to develop a luxury tourism market in the parish of St. Thomas, Jamaica, to diversify the country's tourism product. The plan involves community-based, high-end services utilizing the parish's natural assets and culture. St. Thomas will become an organized destination with less dense, environmentally friendly arrangements focusing on luxury tourism. The ministry targets the creation of 4,170 new rooms and attracting 230,000 overnight tourists by 2030. Private investment of US $508 million is expected to cover a total investment of US $746 million. During trading on April 23, 2024, on the main stock market representing companies with an asset value of $500 million or more, the top three traded stocks were Palace Amusement Company with 5,328,693 units, amounting to 40.94% of the market volume. Next was JMB Group Limited, 9.5% shares, with 2,267,521 units, amounting to 17.42% of the market volume. And then Wigton Wind Farm Limited, ordinary shares with 1,340,859 units, amounting to 10.3% of the market volume. During trading on April 23, 2024, on the junior stock market representing companies with an asset value of $50 million or more, the top three traded stocks were Edufocal Limited with 1,662,959 units, amounting to 33.63% of the market volume, followed by Foss Rich Company Limited with 561,011 units, amounting to 11.35% of the market volume. And then MFS Capital Partners Limited with 518,349 units, amounting to 10.48% of the market volume. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on April 23, 2024, registered a volume of 290,836 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $3,585,839 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 95 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 205,900 shares changing hands for a value of $895,467 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 80 cents, followed by Grace Kennedy Limited with a volume of 23,225 shares being traded for 90,684 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 25 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On April 23, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that $49.6 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $40.8 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.76 and bought the US dollar for $154.77. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.99, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $3.05 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.64 and bought for $111.59. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.72, selling it for $193.45 and buying it for $189.73. For our credit report tip of the day, entrepreneurship often requires access to capital, whether it's through loans, lines of credit, or business credit cards. A strong personal credit score is crucial, especially in the early stages when your business may not have its own credit history. Lenders often consider the owner's credit worthiness when extending credit to small businesses. A solid credit score opens doors to financing opportunities, helping you turn your business dreams into reality. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update,